Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a Reese's coffee cake. I've never tasted this or ever made it before, so we're going to see how it comes out. It says it's made with mini Reese's peanut butter chips, and it also has a brown sugar streusel topping. So we're going to follow the instructions on the back of the box. You need a 1/3 cup of water, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Okay guys, next you want to get a medium-sized bowl, and this is what came in the box. This is the streusel topping and also your cake mix. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is put our cake mix into the bowl. As you can see, it has a lot of peanut butter chips in it. So next we're going to add our water, our eggs, and our vegetable oil. And all we're going to do is mix it until it's well blended. Okay guys, once your batter is well mixed, all you want to do is get a pan. I have an 8x8, and I'm going to spray that with some butter flavored non-stick cooking spray before I pour the batter in. Once your pan is well greased, we're going to go ahead and pour the batter in. Okay guys, once you have your cake mix in the pan, make sure that it's as even as possible. And next we're going to take our streusel and just sprinkle it over top of the cake mix. Also guys, at this time, all you want to do is heat your oven to 400 degrees. And I'm using an 8x8 pan, so it's going to take 22 to 27 minutes. Make sure you check the baking time, depending on the pan that you're using. So once you're done putting the streusel on top, you can now put it into your oven. Okay guys, now that it's out the oven, I'm just going to wait about 15 to 20 minutes for it to cool off before I take it out of the pan. Okay guys, it's been 20 minutes, so I removed the coffee cake from the pan. So now I'm going to do is let it sit on the cooling rack for another 10 minutes until it's completely cooled off. Okay guys, so here is your Reese's coffee cake. I did get a chance to taste it, and it tastes really good. So if you like to try new things, I would recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please come back again. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.